A clean carpet can completely transform the look and feel of your home. But keeping it spotless isn't always easy. Over time, dirt, spills, and pet messes build up deep within the fibers, far beyond what a vacuum can reach. That's where carpet steam cleaners shine. Using hot water and strong suction, they lift stubborn stains, refresh worn fibers, and leave your floors looking and smelling fresh. To help you find the right one, we've put together a guide to the best carpet steam cleaners for powerful, hassle-free deep cleaning. Number 1. Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Steam Cleaner. Hoover is one of the most famous vacuum cleaner manufacturers in the world. In the UK, people literally say Hoover instead of a vacuum cleaner. Nowadays, the company is nearly as well known for its carpet cleaners. When it comes to carpet cleaning technology, they're always at the forefront. They're so good. We've picked 4 of their cleaners to be on this list. The Hoover FH5200 is the most expensive of the bunch. In terms of cleaning power, added features, and all-round quality, it's the only real direct competitor to the Bissell ProHeat cleaner we looked at last. The most impressive thing about this carpet cleaner is how easy it is to use. You don't have to push any buttons, pull any triggers, or measure any chemicals. Just push it forward and it cleans the carpet. Then, pull it back and it dries the carpet, sucking up any debris along the way. There's no other carpet cleaner on the market that's this simple to use. Hoover has achieved this simplicity by separating the tanks for clean water and solution. You just fill the respective tanks up, and the machine works out how much solution is needed. Then, everything ends up in the dirty water tank so you can pour it away. The impressive cleaning power comes from the FlexForce, Powerbrushes, and HeatForce drying technology. Number 2. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Steam Cleaner. For around half the price of the Hoover FH5200, you can pick up this carpet cleaner, the Hoover FH5700. In many ways, this is a smaller and lighter version. It basically works in the same way and still delivers impressive results. It's just not as good for deep cleaning. We'd recommend the Hoover FH5700 for your basic carpet cleaning needs. In the Amazon customer reviews section, you'll find loads of before and after images that prove this cleaner is worth its weight in gold, especially if you have pets. The cleaning power is provided by the PowerSpin Pet Brush Roll, which is basically a simplified version of the FlexForce power brushes that you find in the more expensive Hoover carpet cleaners. The design is perfect for a mess made by pets because it has antimicrobial protection. Also, like the other Hoover machines, it has HeatForce technology to dry the carpet after you've finished cleaning. Weighing less than 13 pounds, this is a super lightweight cleaner. You can easily pick it up with one hand, and the long handle makes it ideal for anyone with back pain. This is arguably the biggest selling point of the Hoover FH5700. Number 3. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Steam Cleaner. The next product is the Hoover FH5150, a step up from the Hoover FH5700 in both cleaning power and price. This is the cheapest of Hoover's full-sized carpet cleaners, and we think it's one of the best carpet steam cleaners on the market. That opinion is mirrored in the customer reviews on Amazon. It has over 16,000 reviews, so there's no shortage of opinions to dig your claws into. When a product on Amazon has this many reviews and has managed to maintain a high average rating, this product is rated 4.3 out of 5. It's a sure sign that it's a good product. When you buy a carpet cleaner, you're looking for one thing above everything else: results. If it doesn't do a good job of cleaning stains on the carpet, who cares about all its other features? Check the customer images on Amazon, and there are tons of before and after pictures showing just how good this cleaner is. Your carpet will look brand new. Despite the bulky design, the Hoover FH5150 is pretty lightweight, less than 19 pounds. You can pick it up with one hand and easily push it around your carpet. The main reason for its bulk is the large water tank that holds 1 gallon. That's twice as big as the FH5700 PowerDash, which means you can cover twice as much ground without having to fill it up. Number 4. Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. The Turboclean Powerbrush is Bissell's answer to Hoover's FH5700. It's a compact, vacuum cleaner-style carpet cleaner without the bells and whistles you'd expect on a more advanced carpet cleaner. The most noticeable feature missing from these budget cleaners is a handheld cleaning tool. That makes it pretty much useless for cleaning carpeted stairs or upholstery. So, how does it stack up against more expensive carpet cleaners? Well, aside from the lack of handheld cleaners, the performance is pretty similar. It uses the same dirt lifter power brush that rotates to scrub the carpet. This is backed up by the suction power, which is strong enough to lift deep down dirt. In terms of results, you won't see much difference between this and the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution carpet cleaner. It's just nowhere near as versatile. We love Bissell cleaners because they're designed to make your life easier. The 2-tank system and removable nozzle make this one of the easiest machines to clean. It's also super lightweight, just 12 pounds, and has a collapsible handle, making it easy to store. It also has a unique feature, the edge sweep bristles. These are small brushes on either side of the main cleaner, which clean along baseboards and around furniture. Many users won't even notice this little addition, but it stops you from having to go around again and clean the edges with a handheld cleaner. Number 5. Bissell ProHeat 2X Carpet Steam Cleaner. We know pets makes messes, whether it's tracked in mud or bathroom accidents. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus Carpet Cleaner handles those pet messes with its exclusive Pet Pro cleanup system. This system includes a clean shot pre-treater to remove spots and stains, the 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool to remove pet hair, stains, and odors from upholstery, a trial size of Bissell Pet Pro OXY urine eliminator formula, and an easy clean brush roll cover to make maintaining the machine easy. When used in max clean mode, you get powerful cleaning that outcleans the leading rental and leaves carpet dry in about 30 minutes with express clean mode. All of this cleaning power comes in a lightweight and maneuverable machine with a low-profile foot that gets under furniture. But this machine doesn't just pick up after pets, it helps save them too. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear.